Hello, namaste. Hope this video finds you well and ready to start this day with me. Today we will be doing Om Chanting. Some people call it None of these pronunciations are wrong. They're just different ways of saying it. And let's talk about why Om is so important. Om is the sound of universe. Om is the original vibration of the existence. Chanting Om can align one with super consciousness. Om helps us connect to the source of creation and brings a sense of unity, peace, and tranquility. Symbolizes supreme absolute, in other words, ultimate reality. Represents three states of minds. One being waking state, being awake. Two being in a sleep state. And three being in a deep sleep state. And chanting Om helps us align our body with our mind. And I think that's the perfect way to do our second day meditation. So let's begin. Again, I'll be putting a 10-minute timer and we're gonna chant whatever you want to chant, whether it's Om or just chant for 10 minutes. Okay, let's begin. it was just as amazing for you as it was for me. As you can see, it's a beautiful view. The wind is blowing. And it's a perfect day to be outside, be grounding, connecting, and chanting. Until next time, hope everything is going as amazingly as ever. I love you, and I can't wait to see you in our next video. Bye. Okay, let's pick out our card of the day with our homework. Let's see what I'm feeling drawn to. Okay. The heavy head. These names are very interesting. When your mind is consumed with a great deal of thought, especially worry, it can show up with words such as, "I am sorry you are so worried," and "I hope these thoughts can ease," or "I know you've been thinking these things for a long time." The heavy mind needs gentle reactions to help lift the burden. When you meet heavy thoughts with the lightness of self-compassion, they immediately ease and lift. Your body will sense this as well as your nervous system release the load. Self-compassion lightens the heavy head, the heavy mind. Practice embracing the heavy head. Take a comfortable seat and a few release breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Notice your heavy mind and head. Allow your hands to stay embrace the side of your head. Then see what it's like to simply allow your head to softly rest in the palms of your hands. Maybe like this, maybe like this, or like this, however you feel comfortable with both of your hands. Feel the stability they offer your hands. Feel the stability your hands offer and the strength to hold the heaviness. Take a deep breath and release some more. Quietly, the heavy thoughts. Notice what this release feels like. And that'll be all for today.